Hello friends, today in this video I will share a little story with you that I was too much shy during my study period whenever the teachers at that time called me to come on the stage in assembly, morning assembly, I was much shy that I was never gone on the stage, and I think that I was making myself disappear in the back of the pupil, that no one could see me and call me on stage. And I was not aware at that time that in the future I would do a lot of things. I would do some stage programs in the whole state, and I would do in entertainment. I would go in entertainment industry. I was not aware about this, and I was a shy person at that time. And sometimes you think that your current people judge you by your current situation, but I think that don't judge any person by his current situation. Some people are shy in their early ages, but in the future they become very good orators. Some are very clever in their early ages, but in practical life they are not good. So these are the kinds of people that sometimes your environment becomes good in your favor, and you do something very good, very exemplary. So I think that some people are judging you by your present situation. They don't know you. If I am wearing good clothes, some people are thinking that perhaps if you see someone with a good dressing, with a good look, then you will think that this person is very good, intelligent person. Perhaps that person might be illiterate, and the person whom you are ignoring, perhaps he will be more eligible. He will give you some tips, beautiful tips about life. So I think that don't judge people by their outer self. Inner self might be different. And when we see some people that they will be very good teachers, and they will deliver good lecture, and perhaps they are not able to deliver good, and where there I think that where there are expectations, sometimes there are failures. So we should do things according to environment, deeply going inside. You can't say anything about others when you don't have company for a long time with the person. You can't judge him by his present situation. Some people have the quality that they can judge the others by seeing their faces very correctly, but not most people. This quality is given to very less people. So in first, I think that first impression is the last impression, but sometimes the first impression go wrong, and when we see the other impressions, we find very wonderful. Sometimes in first impression we don't notice others, but when we look that person deeply, then we know about him. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me and subscribe before leaving. I am Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.